Hello friends, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to describe my morning. Today I wake up early in the morning and I drink some water, and after that I go outside from my home and I start walking. And today I have recorded some video related to bamboo garden. Actually I was talking about bamboo. There is a bamboo garden and even there was a jackfruit tree. I have recorded the jackfruit tree, and you can see beside me there is a banana garden. I have recorded a video about this banana garden also. So today morning I was walking and recording videos, and you can see this road is really nice and beautiful. So right now I am enjoying the morning sunlight. It is really very nice and sweet. And let me show you the sun. Right now the sun is rising. Maybe this is not possible to record the sun with my mobile phone. Okay, sorry, I am extremely sorry that I cannot record the sun with my camera. Maybe I don't know which camera can record actually the sun. The sun is very shining right now actually. Uh, by the way, this video was about my today's morning. Actually my today morning was very nice and it was a really great experience for me, and I enjoyed this morning very well. Let me know, do you wake up early in the morning and do you enjoy morning weather? If you are an early bird, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.